So we're just seeing what's open here. The brewery's open. El Almacén is open.
The beer, little bit or big?
We have Tomato Pizzeria. Stars Fuerteventura Bar Lounge is open. Oh, look, it's a boutique as well. Italian bakery here serves fantastic cappuccinos and nice cakes and stuff. That's open. Eating and outside seating in the sunshine. Sitting outside here. Hipadino's open, but then it has been the entire time. It tells you you've got to wear a mask. And you've got gloves and hand wash. This is my bar. They're only open part-time at the moment. They close just after lunch. Until it gets busier. They're expecting a lot more business from the 15th of July onwards. Everywhere seems to have sales on, which is good for me. My favourite shop, Fundgruber, is closed. It's a bit quiet. Apparently the agricultural market's coming back on the 11th and they're hoping for the main market the day after. But of course it's going to be reduced stalls. It's really pretty here. It's done in the style of an old Spanish village. All the buildings are a different colour. They've all got these lovely balconies. There's usually flowers everywhere. It's really quite a pleasant place to come, and the Sunday market's really good. This place is open, rich style. T-shirts, bandanas, all that kind of stuff. Pizzeria. Looks like it's closed at the moment. Pizzeria de Fabio, maybe it's open in the evenings. Hard to tell. Amarena, ice cream shop, open. So here's a map of what we've got here. And here, of course, is the famous bell tower. You can see the pretty balconies. So you normally have stalls all around here on Sunday. It's a really good market. It's always really lively, and let's hope it will be again in the middle of July. Toy shop open. Oh yes, fish and chips. Pizzeria Unico. Great place to come. Hola! Gin corner open. So is Bistro de Mar. Quite a funky place. Doors for tables. A really nice menu. All the tables have these little QR codes, so you don't need to go into order. This is a really good outlet shop actually, but it seems to be closed at the moment. I guess they'll be opening again when things get busier. But Recalici looks like it's closed. Says they're opening in July. Good hairdressers here, nice and cheap. They're open. Also do massages, and their price list is pretty cheap. Do a bit of everything. Hair, nails, eyelash extensions. Men's Secret. Open if you need any swimsuit. Ooh, 70% off. To go in there. Natura doesn't seem to be open at the moment. Excursions guy is open, but he's probably not getting a lot of business at the moment. Another 70% sale here. Another really cute balcony up there. Springfield. Like this, people taking advantage of the sales. You can see this separate entrance and exits. Medical Centre. Alma, the shoe shop. Nice place. This tells you about the markets when they are on. See from the picture there how busy it normally is. Nice shop here. I am Fuerteventura. Sales here as well. Nice clothes. More sales. Good shop for cheap t-shirts and that kind of stuff. So you've got to wear a mask when you go in the shop. Shop for some nice gear. Here as well. Kids' clothes. Really nice things. Zara is open. They have nice shoes. 1 and 1 equals 3. Is it really? Sunglasses, clothes, that kind of stuff. It's a bit busier here now. Sales everywhere you look. So it's time to come shopping. Still pretty quiet. Another bar over here. La Bodeguita. Free orange juice. What's that about? It's pretty quiet, but then I guess it is lunchtime. It's really lively here when the market's on. There's usually live music. I think there's much point walking down there. There's nothing open. And here we are back at Fundgruber. Shop next to it's open. Sport is open. Sale on 2. I'm telling you what to do before you can go in.